Today we're looking at the Arduino Uno and Synthetos Gshield V5b. This is a garble shield. It'll attach to the Uno along these strips and enable control of a CNC machine. Power in and power out to 3 stepper motors. Simply connects to the Arduino along this rail and this rail. Just pushing it together. The steps we need to take for this first test of the Arduino garble shield: we need to have a suitable power supply, this is one with a capability of 30 volts and 10 amps. So I've attached leads to the positive and negative, checked polarity of my plug to make sure it's wired correctly, and check that the voltage what it says it's giving is actually what shows on the multimeter. For this test I've set it to 5, but I could go from anywhere between 0 and 30 volts. The stepper motors are planned to drive like 24 volts for optimum performance, and they draw round about 2.5 amps each. So this 30 volt 10 amp power supply should be adequate. So I've checked the polarity of the plug. I've set it to a reasonably low voltage. Power supply to the correct terminals on the shield, positive and negative. Connecting the power. We've now got power on the garble shield. The Arduino attaches to my laptop via a USB cable, and we plug this in to the board now. On the PC, I'll start the Arduino IDE. I'll upload the GRBL sketch from the IDE on the PC to the Uno board. Once the GRBL sketch is uploaded via this USB cable, I can then open another program on the PC called the Universal G-Code Platform, and that's for CNC control. Within that program, I set the baud rate and the port number suitable for communication with the Uno. We'll have a little look at the laptop screen now of the Universal G-Code Platform. We see the interface. We've got a file folder. Next to that there's a plug which is separated. We'll come back to that in a second. GRBL is selected. COM7 is the communication port with the Arduino, and the baud rate 115200. So that's the communication sorted out for the Arduino. The rest of the interface is here we see the X, Y, we can jog the controller eventually. We've got the Z axis, we can lift up and down, and the X and Y left and right, forward and back. At present it's showing offline. Here's the console, nothing shown at present. So, and there's our visualization. That'll be where any sketch, any drawing, should I say, of our CNC pattern will show up in this area. Should also mention that we can set the home point at this point and return to the home point at any point. So clicking on this plug, it changes its state. It's connected with the option to disconnect, and if we look down, it's now saying idle, waiting for commands. There's our X, Y and Z coordinates all waiting ready to go. Super. Successful test. Join me in the next build day when I attach the stepper motors, get them running in the correct direction, and let's see what they can do.